Hello everybody, it's me again, Rhoda. I'm here outside. Ano na Ate Ann, tapos ka na? Thank you so much for watching my YouTube. I'm here again outside with my sister. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ha? Tama lang siya? Okay. Oh, okay. Kaya nga. We are here outside because we need to... Ano ba yun? Ba sa akin mo binibigay ang susi?
Ay, maliit ang magti.
Okay. My sister give me the key of her car. I will drive later the car. But I don't know how to drive. I'm just learning. Okay, bye. See you again later. Thank you so much for watching. There is coming now our order. Okay. Meron kaming, we have a free ice cream after we eat this burger. So we have a free, it's our order, french fries. And what is this?
Ito sa akin,
This is the cheeseburger. I want this one for you.
Tapos mama.
And then yan lang, hati na lang tayo dyan.
Hindi, ay, tama na to.
French fries lang ako. Okay na. Okay, bye. See you again later. Maday natin, Ann. Bye. Okay, stay. Yes.
Kung may ino-order
Sorry.
mo
Nino. Nino.
Alpino.
Okay. Sige na. Yummy. French fries. Meron tayong free na ice cream. Kukunin natin mamaya. Let's eat the Thank you. Bye-bye.